And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she says to me. I told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go on crying faithfully. And one knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way, while she is waiting.